Namaskar and welcome to Fitness Club. So today we are going to talk about the correct way to drink water. Shocked, right? What if I tell you that you have been drinking water in a wrong way your entire life? You won't believe me, right? As if there is a correct way to drink water. Watch the video and find out. Before that, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you are notified. Let's get started. Number 5 is standing and drinking water. And some people even drink water while walking and even while running. But do you know that by standing and drinking water, you just simply disturbs the balance of the fluid in the body, which eventually lead to a accumulation of fluids in the joints, which may cause arthritis in a long run. So, just take some time and sit down and drink water, just as you sit down when you eat. Number 4 is gulping the water in one breath. But this is absolutely wrong. Water should be consumed in small sips, as you drink your tea, and not gulp down in one breath. Why? Because the force involved while gulping the water disturbs your internal organ, which may affect their working efficiency in a long run. So make sure drink the water in small sips. Number 3 is drinking ice cold water. I know that this is gonna be difficult, but what is right is right. When we drink ice cold water, the digestive juices gets diluted and the intensity of the process of digestion is also put off. The entire body system gets slow, including the blood flow, and which affect the digestion and the metabolism, which leads to many issues like weight gain, thyroid and other things. The continuous use of ice cold water can eventually lead to constipation, weight gain and many more. So replace your cold water with room temperature water or hot water. It will safeguard you from the consequences of drinking cold water, but also aid in maintaining the cholesterol levels, minimizing your bloating issues and weight issues. Number 2 is drinking unnecessarily just to achieve a target of 3 liters or 4 liters water a day. But you know what? Excess of anything is dangerous. The universal rule of 8 glass of water is just simply not applicable for everyone. Drink only when you are thirsty. Listen to the signals of your body. Have you ever seen a cow or a monkey or any animal drinking water all the time? No, because they listen to their body, and that is what we should do. We should also listen to the signals of the body. Our body is amazingly designed. It gives us signal when we are actually dehydrating, and that is when you should drink water. And last but not the least, drinking just before and just after the meals. Drinking water soon before or soon after a meal will dilute the digestive juices, which eventually lead to constipation, decreased metabolism and other issues. So make it a rule to drink water at least half hour prior and 1 hour after the meal to avoid any problem and for better assimilation of nutrients. Water is life. To get its maximum benefits, just drink it right way. I myself have been following these rules for quite some time now, and this has worked magically for me. Comment if you were too drinking water in a wrong way. Share this information who you think it may be helpful to. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.